For Luis Guillermo Acosta Cruz.
Correct.
Sir, you're charged with failure to identify oneself by giving false or fictitious information. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
Order in the court.
We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, sir. The officer observed a vehicle speeding 50 miles per hour in a 35-mile-per-hour zone and failing to maintain a single lane. A traffic stop was initiated and the driver was placed in custody due to the traffic violations, and the officer made contact with the defendant, the passenger of the vehicle. The officer observed signs of intoxication from the defendant, including bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and poor balance, and the officer asked the passenger to step out of the vehicle because it was going to be towed. The officer asked the defendant to identify himself, and the defendant stated his name was Martin Sevilla Vargas, with a date of birth of November 16, 1982. The officer detained the defendant for public intoxication and identified the defendant with APHIS.
I agree, Judge. Yes, whatever you're about to say, I agree. Yes.
I want to beat my head against the wall. I really just dunk. Mr. Cruz, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I want to inform you now that it's very possible that they charge you with driving while intoxicated out of this event. And I don't know why they didn't charge you with that as it is.
Judge, to be clear, this defendant wasn't in the truck. He was a passenger.
He wasn't.
He was a passenger. No, he was the passenger. Yes. And yes.
He was a driver.
No, and I'm dismissing the case, Judge.
Say that again?
I'm dismissing the case.
Which one?
The case you just found no probable.
You're on him. Did you find probable cause? Just for clarity.
I was
I thought
going
you
to
said
find
no,
probable
you
cause.
Okay.
I'm going with
No,
the state.
I thought that he was
Oh, no, Your Honor.
No,
I thought he was DWI.
so let me just break down to you.
Did you not say he was the driver of the
No, he
car?
was the passenger. The defendant.
I thought you said.
No,
He's a passenger. They detain him.
Maybe I need to go have like my head.
No.
He gives a false name. But they pull him out of the car, then they detain him for public intox after they're the ones that pull him out of the car. And then they APHIS him off of that. And then they find him.
Think there's enough probable cause to go forward on a failure to ID?
I think that technically he meets the statute, but I think that it was, I don't think that they had a right to arrest him for class C public intox after they're the ones that put the case in public by pulling him out of the car.
Okay, I'm gonna find no probable cause. Today's your lucky day, Mr. Cruz. But I wanna impart something to you. If you're not in this country with permission, and you get in trouble, and you go to jail, and immigration finds you, they're going to put an immigration detainment. So if I were you, I would be on your best behavior, because the next time you might not get so lucky, and you could be very well spending the next 10 months to a year in jail. Do you understand? When you hang with dogs, you get fleas. Especially if you have a bunch of little kids that depend on you, a wife. Don't act a fool, because the next time I might keep you. You understand? All right, buddy, you're free to go. Thank you.